Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, check out this classic air-cooled big bore two-stroke UNI-TRAK KX420. Thing's a monster, and what a head turner it is. The black and green paint, the new graphics. It's been gone through full frame-off restoration, and it hauls ass. Nothing like no replacement for displacement. These big bore two-strokes definitely pull like a freight train. Whole shot monsters. Easy on the eyes too. It's a beautiful machine. Has the all our original cycle parts are in mint shape. The original exhaust is in mint shape. The original pegs are perfectly straight. The original brake lever, engine cases, kicker, the swing arms super clean and straight. Taken right down on the frame, given a comprehensive frame up, cosmetic restoration, and the engine was rebuilt also. So brand new paint job on the frame. Engine's been completely repainted, swing arms painted. The original wheel set still has the DID stickers on it, nice and straight, indicating a low R bike, and the frame rails are as good as they come. They're basically perfect. No dents or dings in the frame rail. The paint's only scratched off from being on the center, on the stand, because it doesn't have a kickstand. But beautiful piece, man. Original saddle's in mint shape. It's got a new cover on it. Original tank's really clean. The front fender, actually, I'm not sure if this is original tank. I know it's not brand new, but it's in mint condition. The front fender is new. The front number plate is new. The front tire is new. The fork guards are new. The brakes have been gone through. The fork lowers, as you can see, have been the clear coat that fades and cracks has been stripped off, and it's given the original brushed aluminum finish. Brand new set of aluminum bars with a Kawasaki crossbar pad. New grips, ODI grips. Brand new cables. Brand new levers. Brand new hardware. Brand new clutch perch. Brand new breather line. Brand new fuel line. New fuel petcock. New tank graphics. New side panels and side panel graphics with the 420 logo. That was a big hit on Facebook and Instagram. People have a lot of fun with that, like 700 comments and 334,000 views between Facebook and Instagram, and they shared 700 times, so it definitely went viral. You just don't see these bikes, that's what it is. So people freak when they see one, you know. Seat is beautifully redone, new rear fender, new side number plates, all new hardware, as you can see, holding all the number plates on. Nice, beautiful gold chain, works great. The green and gold, new UNI-TRAK logos, has a new chain guide, new chain sliders. All the running gear is intact, original and present and restored like brand new. New hardware, original chain guide's perfect. No issues with the cases, chains never come off. Original Mikuni car has been rebuilt with new fuel line, new fuel drain lines, new air filter, new spark plug. We just put a brand new Wiseco and piston in. It just came in the other day. Andrew put the piston. Actually, Tyler's going to drop the photo of the piston. You'll see it's a forged Wiseco piston. Cross hatches on the cylinder are perfect, as tight as a tiger. You got to be a big boy to kick this thing over, man. This thing's got an incredible amount of compression, and it takes a big boot to fire her up. She's once you get her rolling, though, she's hard to stop, man. This thing is a beast. Powerhouse for sure. Look at how perfectly straight the pegs are on this, and the hardware on the pegs is all like brand new. The spring, everything, just a beautifully done, classic big bore air-cooled two-stroke. Started with a nice original machine that had perfectly straight wheel set, the original factory wheel set. See the DID logo on the bottom on the rim? That's the original logo. Those usually get power washed off. Brand new Dunlop tires, front and rear, as you can see. Kind of cool, the stripe they put on the Dunlop when it's on a Cowie has the green and orange stripe. Very nice. New hardware on the sprocket, of course. No bolt left unturned and or replaced or polished or plated. It's a beautifully done classic. If you know anything about motorcycle restoration, you know you're looking at a 60 to 90 hour project if you're good at it and you're have all the tools and all the parts. That's about what it takes to do it. Depends on the original condition of the bike. This one was a clean original Survivor. Look at the mounts for the front number plate. Has the original style mounts on the number plate. Just you know, where the throttle tube goes through the number plate. Just a really cool piece, a time capsule basically. If you're looking for a big bore two-stroke, which is probably the best investment in classic dirt bikes right now, our big bore two-strokes are going up in value every year. You'd be looking at a hefty work order to take a Facebook, just needs a carb clean and a full frame off restoration to get it to this point. Bike, you'd be looking at, well, you know, let's say on the low end, 60 hours at $150 an hour. It's a $9,000 work order. So you just don't see these coming up for sale, or too many shops doing this kind of work, because, well, it's very expensive. This one's done, and the reserve will be less than what the labor cost to build it would be. So sold on eBay auction to the top bidder, 100% positive feedback after selling. I think we're up to like 16,000 on eBay, 16,000 sales. So quite a few motorcycles over the years have come through. This one's definitely a monster, air-cooled monster. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.